Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I've made a really good mistake today. I just erased the video that I did on unwrapping the parcel that I received from Lequetta, and she is in the USA. Now I'm so sorry. This is Lequetta Johnson. I'm so sorry about this. I usually come in here, take all the videos off my card because I've already got them on the internet, and then I start to record. Today, for some reason, I didn't do that and just started to record. Tried to protect the one I just made, but took it off too. So I'm so sorry. But this is the parcel that I got. It was wrapped in this beautiful paper, and inside I have this amazing card that I absolutely love. And I love the little bee, and I love that. Look at that image of that nice lady butterfly. And then she's got this beautiful flower that she's made. This is beautiful, this flower. And then there's this really nice trim here, and that bit there, and there's two nice little flowers, and that nice piece of trim up there. I do love that little bug. I do love that little fella. He's a little bee. He's a little bee. It's made me this beautiful card. Thank you, Lequetta. And it says, I'm sending you a few snippets of fabric. I hope you can find them useful. Thank you for always inspiring me. I just love seeing your work in so many things. I want to make... there's so many things that I want to make. Can't fit them all in. LOL. Happy early anniversary. Hugs and blessings, Lequetta. And there's a beautiful butterfly on that too. That's beautiful paper. And I think this is absolutely lovely, this card. Thank you so much for doing this for me. And it says, made with care by Lequetta. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. The colours are awesome. And I love this bee. I don't know if you made him or not. He's a good colour too. He goes all with the rest of it, doesn't he? Thank you so much, Lequetta. That is a lovely card. And then inside the packet there was this beautiful little tag. Look at this. Oh, isn't that dear little thing? Is it just so precious? It's beautiful. Lovely material and fabric, and this trim is awesome. And look at all the colours, they go so well together, don't they? This has got her information on the back, and I think she likes vintage and shabby things. Absolutely lovely. Thank you so much, Lequetta. That is so precious. And then I got all these beautiful pieces of fabric, which I'm absolutely wrapped in. Look at this. Not quite wrapped, but close. Sorry. Look at that. Bird in a cup, and the butterflies, and it says Paris, and there's a nice Eiffel Tower, and lovely writing, and a frame with a butterfly, and another birdie. It is really, really nice. Thank you so much for that, Lequetta. I really love that. I really do. And this piece here, this is awesome. Look at this. It's got a raised embroidery on it. Look. And I can't see really good. I don't think that's not going to help me much either, is it? We need something that's a colour. Blue, maybe. Anyway, you can see it a bit better there, can't you? See what that's like? Isn't it nice? Feels so lovely too. I really, really like that. Thank you so much. And then I got this one. Look at this one. Oh dear, look at that. I love how it frays, and I love that you can see through it, and it sparkles. It does it's got all the criteria needed to, really, really cool piece of fabric. Really beautiful. Thank you so much, Lequetta. I really appreciate that, darling. Absolutely lovely things that you sent to me, and I'm so sorry that I mucked it up, but I do love it all. Thank you so much. We'll talk to you later, everybody.